Hello, it's Adinkam. Now let me introduce our product V30. Let me show you. Now we can see that here are one button which is used for power on and power off. And then we can look at here are some ports. One port is Type-C, which is connected to the power cable. And the next is AV in. This socket is used to connect the rear view camera. And this port is TF card port. You need to insert the memory card from the dashcam recording videos. And the top socket is used to connect the GPS. If you need it, you can buy it from us. There is the camera on the back of V30 for video recording in front of the car. You can adjust up and down to the field of view you want to record. The base of V30 is 3M sticker for pasting. After tearing off this view, it can be fixed at the front deck of your car. You can rest assured that it is very firm. After securing the position, you can adjust the V30 up and down to achieve your most comfortable viewing angle. Now we insert the memory card into TF card port. Now we insert the rear view camera cable into the AV in port. Connect the power cable to the Type-C port. And then the other end of the cable is connected to the cigarette lighter.